Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Mazda Miata convertible top. First, ensure you have all the right tools, including various screwdrivers, wrenches, and a rivet gun. Next, acquire a new convertible top designed for your specific Miata model. Begin by carefully detaching the old top from its frame, paying close attention to all fasteners. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth replacement process. Take your time to avoid damaging any components. After removing the old top, thoroughly inspect the convertible top frame for any signs of damage, rust, or wear. Address any issues before proceeding. Clean the entire frame meticulously to ensure a proper seal and fit for the new top. Now, carefully position the new convertible top onto the prepared frame, ensuring all edges and mounting points align perfectly. This step requires precision to achieve a professional finish. With the new top aligned, begin securing it to the frame using the appropriate rivets and screws. Work systematically around the frame, ensuring consistent tension across the entire convertible top. This prevents wrinkles and ensures a snug fit. Next, carefully install the rear window section, making sure it is properly sealed. Finally, attach all weather stripping to prevent leaks and reduce wind noise. Once the new top is fully installed, operate it several times to ensure smooth functionality and proper folding. Thoroughly check for any potential leaks by spraying water over the entire top, especially around seams and seals. Make any necessary minor adjustments to achieve a perfect fit and seal. Remember, proper care will extend the life of your new convertible top. Also, for other great deals and to upgrade your clean game, check the link in the description for the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.